Hello, welcome to this unboxing video. I've got these from icubemart.com and it took about 12 days to get here, but unfortunately I wasn't home, so and a Sunday, so totally 2 weeks after ordering, but I live in Europe, so it's not bad. I've got to say thank you also to all you out there who are making such very nice videos. For instance, Tall 5001 for his reviews. Very nice, thanks. Convinza for a nice 5x5 review, and also to Rubik's Universe. Also thanks for the advice, although I'm a beginner, but there are some speed cubes in here, so maybe I'll have to take his advice and ordering a beginner's cube. But let's see what's in there. Let's see. Let's get a knife. At least it's good wrapped. Alright, pull the tab to open. I'm just a silly guy starting with this. So, here's a GhostHand 5x5, if I'm correct. This is the Alpha 5, GhostHand 2x2. These are a lot smaller than I expected. Shengshou 4x4. And Minx. That's it. Receipt. Nice. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this one first. I never solved others than 3x3s. I'm starting out here, but I'm just wondering. This is actually nice big. Turns right, good. Let's see if I can solve this. Got no idea actually. See, this is wrong. Yeah. I'll play with it later to figure out how to solve these pieces. That will be nice. Then the 3x3. Nice little box. So maybe feels nice. So I can play with this. It's good. 4x4. A lot smaller than I expected them to be. It's used for white cubes though. Well, some instructions in Chinese, nice. But I like to try out to, I don't know how to solve these 4x4s, 2x2 and the 5x5, but I like to try it out myself and see if I can do it. It's a little different than this is nice. Turns great. Maybe watching all these reviews actually helped me deciding which one to buy. Good. But I'm not going to scramble this one, because I think I'll start with the 5x5 and see how that goes. New stickers. So we sticker the thing. This is not so nice. It is not really nice I don't know if you can see that. It's not so nice glue down there. And here also a little sticker right from the box. So, but sounds cool. There's this little logo. Funny, is it here as well? No. It's stickered over it, so it's a double sticker in there in the middle. Let's make some tiles. Actually, I like these black ones to be the white ones. This is already a lot of parts. Kind of cool. Orange and red, nice distinction. Heard some stories about stickers that they wear off pretty quickly, but we'll see. Fun. Scrambled done, I think. And the Minx QJ. Let's see how this turns. Actually pretty good right out of the box. No problem really. Not used to. So, thanks Jeffrey. Probably be ordering soon again. Bye.